What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Kobe Sneaks. Today we are looking at the newest from Nike and Stranger Things. It's the Upside Down collection. This is the Nike Blazer. Here we go. So this is the third collaboration between Nike and Stranger Things. I have to be honest with you, I actually don't even watch Stranger Things. I've never actually watched a single episode in my life at all. It's not really in my genre of things to watch, but I do appreciate the shoes. On that note, these are actually not even my shoes. These are my friends Pixelating, who you can find here on YouTube or on Instagram at Pixelating. He is a fellow Toronto YouTuber and Instagrammer of all things sneakers and fashion and culture and so forth. Nonetheless, the first two collaborations between Nike and Stranger Things featured a couple themes. Number one was the Hawkins High School theme, and number two was kind of the 4th of July festivities theme. This one takes things, in my opinion, one step further and a bit more abstract. It is called the Upside Down collection, meaning that things are not always as they seem, which will make more sense when you see the actual shoes. This collection released in 3 different silhouettes. You have the Nike Tailwind, the Nike Cortez, and then this one here, the Nike Blazer. In my opinion, my favorite silhouette out of the 3 is the Nike Tailwind, but since these are for my friend and I picked them up for him, these are the Nike Blazer, which I believe are his favorite. This collection dropped in North America on August the 13th, 2019, and for all 3 shoes, I believe they dropped for a price of $110 US, or, up here in Canada, $160 Canadian. Now, right off the bat, you can tell that this is not just a regular Nike box. It is done in a matte black finish with this sort of outlined Nike branding, very similar to the Stranger Things title intro branding they use on all of their shows. Very reminiscent of that. Of course, it was done on purpose. On the side of the box, on the lid portion, we do have the Nike swoosh and Stranger Things branding, and then on the bottom side of that same side, we have a red stripe across that reads 1985 Nike Stranger Things. On the other side of the box, we do have the official style tag, which shows that this is a Blazer Mid. The official colorway for the shoe is Sail, Sail Deep Royal Blue, and Sail once again. This is a size 9.5 men's. The style code of the shoes is CJ6102-100, and like I said before, the official suggested retail price is $160 Canadian. Without further ado, let's open this box and see what they look like. Actually, before we get into the shoes, let's look at the lid of this box. Under the lid of the box, we do see the Nike and Stranger Things branding once again. I love these small details that big companies like this throw into a shoe. It just adds that element of uniqueness or exclusivity when you get these special edition sneakers. On top of that, we have the wrapping paper that these shoes come in, again adding to that uniqueness of the shoe. The wrapping paper is one massive blueprint design of Starcourt Mall, whatever that, it's obviously a Stranger Things reference again. I don't watch the show, but if you do, this probably means a lot to you. But the entire wrapping paper, I'll try to show you here all laid out, is literally of Starcourt Mall. Alright, and here is the shoe. Now, starting with the upper of these shoes, it is comprised mostly of a very soft kind of canvasy suede feeling material done in a tan colorway. It's very, very soft to the touch. Now, this is the main part of why these shoes are so special. Like I mentioned before, the theme of this collection is called the Upside Down collection, which does kind of allude to the idea that nothing is really as it seems at first. So while you get these shoes looking like a nice, light, tan, simple, basic colorway, if you take an open flame to the shoe, the actual upper of the shoe, it reveals a rich, deep blue, dark blue color denim finish. It is really, really cool. I see a video here of another fellow Torontonian that I follow on Instagram by the name of Jonathan Cran. You see that if you take a flame to certain parts or the entire upper of the shoe, you can drastically change the look, again going along with the central theme of this collection. Along with the entire upper changing color, on the heel you do have the regular Nike branding on all Blazer mids done in a red text on a white soft canvas finish. But again, if you take an open flame to these, you will reveal some special Stranger Things branding. The laces on these shoes are done in a white finish, which brings us to the tongue, which is finished in that same tan color canvas material with a black woven label that says Nike and Stranger Things done in a red text. Like most of the Blazers that have come out in the past year, these also feature the exposed foam on the edges of the tongue. Along with the white laces that come with the shoe, they also have black laces including, and I actually thought they missed these in the box, but I'm so happy they actually included them. You get a pin set with these shoes. You get 3 pins, one that is Nike and Stranger Things branding, one that says Starcourt Mall, and then one that says Hawkins Power and Light, which is a white van. Again, all references to Stranger Things that I know absolutely nothing about. Now, because these are my friend's pair of shoes, I do not want to take them apart too much because they are his, but apparently under the actual insole of these shoes, you will see a Russian transmission graphic under the insole. So if you dare to explore even further, you will find that inside in both Russian and English on the left and right shoe. And then last but not least, the midsole and outsole of these shoes is done in a white rubber finish. So if you guys like this video, you will probably like my other stuff too. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and my friend Pixelate's channel, who again, these shoes are going to. I was merely the courier in this transaction. But until the next video, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.